Hey, John Chesky with Kaleo Real Estate. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Joshua Tree, California, and we are checking out a gorgeous, brand new luxury Airbnb, a short-term rental for people that are like, dude, I want to impress my friends. I want to impress myself. That's the place we're going to. Oh, and stick around to the end of the video. After the tour is done, I want to show you a couple local areas, a couple things that are close by, restaurants. We're right down the street from Park Boulevard, meaning that Park Boulevard is the entrance to Joshua Tree National Park. So this place has pretty much got it all. All right, let's do it. Big horseshoe driveway, so you can pull up with all your buddies. They chose untreated, rusty corrugated steel for their fencing. Now you'll see a ton of short-term rentals out here that don't have rusty corrugated. They leave the treated one on, and nothing wrong with that, but it's a great way to make a nice luxury Airbnb look like a Guy Fieri restaurant at an airport. And that was good attention to detail on their part, that they actually took that into consideration and made the right call, in my opinion. So down that way, you're going into Joshua Tree, deep desert over there, Joshua Tree downtown, Yucca Valley's that way, 29 Palms is that way. We go over here. That's the backside of Joshua Tree National Park. Park Boulevard is just right up the street, which is your direct entrance into the park. Very modern, very sleek. There's your kitchen bay window right there. Kitchen bay. Look how tall this is. Epic, epic entryway. Good vibes, brah. Inside and outside. Yeah. Wow, right away just greeted with luxury and style. Man. Super tall ceilings, minimalist, fun lighting. They used wood in a lot of it to keep it alive, so it's not just concrete. It's not just plaster. It's not just one tone. It's got earthy tones. Really looks nice when you mix that with modernism, so it still has some life to it, so it's not just a dead piece of concrete, if you know what I mean. And like, you walk in, imagine it's your first time here and you're just seeing like the backyard. Oh, but don't worry, my friends. We shall go out there and see that soon. Right now I want to see the inside of the house, show off all the cool work they did. Let's go ahead and shut the door. Be a gentleman here, just so we don't waste their air conditioning. All right. Start all the way down the hall. By the way, I just want to say thank you for watching. My name's John Chesky. I'm with Kaleo Real Estate. And if you'd like to know more about buying, selling, or investing, please feel free to contact me. All of my information is located below. I've helped families buy and sell real estate from Redondo Beach to the OC, all the way to Joshua Tree. Let's find out if you and I are a good fit. Call me, text me, or better yet, book a free Zoom consultation with me through my calendar link below. One of the nice things in Joshua Tree, when you see a lot of Joshua trees in any property around a house, even if it's not government land, it lets you know that there's a good chance no one's gonna really be developing it. Like, they're not gonna plow it down because the Joshua Tree is protected. So whether that's government land or not, that's probably going to stay nice and open like that, which is one of the big things that people come to Joshua Tree for, is to see our Dr. Seuss trees and enjoy it. Super tall ceilings, big doors, really cool feeling when you walk into these rooms. Show you the view from this window. I like to show the views at every window so that you could say, hey, if I lived here, if I stayed here, this is what it would feel like waking up in the morning. This is what my guest will see. I don't know if you saw, there's a little putt course back there for golfing. Great lighting behind the mirror, and I love this. So they don't have any glass doors for the shower because the shower is tucked all the way back here. But then my favorite thing though is skylighting. Now that's great on a blue sky day, but it's also really fun when it's raining and cloudy and you're taking a hot shower. Oh, so nice. Big, tall spaciousness. Here we are with the guest bathroom. All the guest bedrooms here have large space, big beds. So even if you're coming here with a bunch of family members or a bunch of friends, like everyone's gonna have comfy beds to sleep on. Tall ceilings, no issue with space there. That's cool, that wall light behind the bed's really neat. I almost forgot to turn that light on. You gotta show you that light. That light's so cool. Let's go check out this backyard. This is what you're walking out to when you wake up. Beautiful luxury pool. I mean, the pool is just begging for me to jump in right now, but I will not jump into a pool with my clothing on. I won't do it. I won't do it. Nope. Look at this little sunken fire pit. Let's go down in there so you can see at eye level how cool that is. Right there. Hey, little buddy. Really cool. And at night for stargazing. And they always say, you know, make sure that your Airbnb is Instagrammable because, you know, people come and they want to take pictures and show their vacation off, and everything about this place is Instagrammable. I mean, it's like you're staying at your own private fancy hotel. I sound so ghetto when I say that. You're staying at a fancy hotel. Play a little bocce ball if you want to get all Euro on everybody. Aside from the greatness of those rusty fencing on these retainer walls, they actually have nice little pennant lights all over it, so it's gonna look very sexy at night. Obviously, we've got some barbecue station right here. yeah. And for all the golfers, all my boys down at 6-9 Austin, come out here, do a little 6-9 putt-putt. That's the name of the company is 6-9, just so you guys know. I'm not being dirty. I'm not being dirty. I wouldn't dare. There's a yoga pad down there, but if I hadn't seen that, I would have thought this was some sort of place where they keep the dinosaurs or some sort of fighting pit. Or if you come here with your kids and they misbehave, you guys stay down here with the scorpions until you learn to behave yourself. Nicely tucked away. They got this fence. This is a good note for anybody that is looking out here at properties. I have a couple clients right now. Just a cool way to kind of keep it separated so you don't have to look at all of your pool stuff. Is that the professional industry term for it? Pool stuff? Very cool. Everything's very symmetrical and minimalistic, easy to clean, easy to enjoy, and just stay focused. Nothing to clean, just relax and enjoy the vacation, right? Imagine staying here, you get up, you brush your teeth, maybe take a shower, maybe you don't, maybe you just brush your teeth real quick and walk right here. You don't even go to the kitchen. You just open up your sliding glass door and you go right out to the yard. Hit a few golf balls, whatever you like to do to get ready in the morning. Have some coffee, maybe you play bocce ball. What a rad house. Thanks for sticking around. All right, now let's go look at some of the local amenities, things that are close by the house.
You're about a 4-minute drive from downtown. Amazing stores such as this one, The Station, where Glenn and Steve, the owners, keep this thing fully stocked with cool clothes, blankets, and just rad gifts. Joshua Tree Saloon for a solid cheeseburger, really delicious grilled chicken salad, and great ranch dressing.
Just about a 2-minute drive up Sunny Vista and you're at the Nancy Carl Loop Trail. Thank you guys so much for coming along on this tour with me. I hope you had as much fun as I did. What did you think? write down in the comments. Tell me how you felt, what you thought, what you would do if you stayed in this Airbnb. What event would you come here for? A birthday, an anniversary, just a weekend getaway? If you want to see this house or any other houses in SoCal, if you just want to talk real estate, go ahead, book a free Zoom consult with me right down there in Calendly. There's a Calendly link below. Book a free consult with me. Find out if you and I are a good fit. And if we are a good fit, I would love to be your realtor. All right, bye. Mwah.